And action! Hey gang, while Nana's cutting the tape, this is Poppy's Workshop visiting Nana's Kitchen Edition for May 2022. Don't think there's going to be many more editions of this particular playlist.
Well, where's the rest of the parts? Hey, don't break it. I might have to send it back.
Yeah.
Got these little cheap fuckers. Where the hell is the round blade you promised? Here's a mower blade.
Yeah.
That's the lawnmower blade.
Okay. They said that was 6 inches?
Yeah.
That's 6 inches.
Yeah, but it's supposed to be a round blade here someplace.
And these are 6 inches.
Here it is. Be careful with that booger. That's what I want. So I can
Hey, look at that.
So far, so good, but I was expecting it to be a bit bigger. You're in my way. They can't see me for some reason.
I was showing them the wheel you wanted for this machine.
This is on wheels, and they don't call it a weed eater. They call it, and I quote, a mini lawnmower. Yeah, it's got the head of a weed eater, sort of.
Does the handle extend? Looks like it's got a button there to let it down.
Well, let me find out. Let's see. Oh, yeah.
Oh, by the way,
Good.
our little darling Christy tells us that she went out to get the mail and FedEx just dropped this. They threw it over the fence, didn't come to the house, didn't knock. She tripped over going out to get the mail when the snail ran.
Snail.
Or sleazed. Yeah, when the snail sleazed on by, she tripped over it.
Let me guess, you put this on before you put the head on, so I'm supposed to cut it off. Am I right? Yeah.
That's what the knife is about, dear.
Okay, where's my batteries you promised? There were supposed to be 2, I only got 1. You cheap fuck. And look at this, it might be a battery, sorry about that, but this may be a battery I can't replace if it dies, and then I will be.
How many volts is it?
Huh?
How many volts is it?
Its input is 100 to 240 volts.
Yeah.
Output is 21 volts to 98 volts.
Well, other than 2 batteries.
I was under the impression it came with 2 batteries. How the hell is this?
One of them goes in. Oh.
Yeah.
Look what they did. Singapore power plug.
Is that the power plug?
Yeah, that's what it's supposed to plug into the wall.
You assholes.
Put on your glasses and see if
What do you
it's
think I'm wearing?
Okay, does it say it's 110 in? Because I've got an adapter, I think, that will plug into to plug it into the wall.
I told you, it said 100 to 240. I want to know how it's fucking plugged in, like this, maybe?
No, that goes in the wall. This end goes in there.
Oh,
Yeah.
this won't work here.
Does this...
No, it don't.
Okay, I gotta go
They were
see.
supposed to send me the American adapter. They didn't.
I gotta go check and see.
I knew something fell out because the where's the other wheel? There's supposed to be 2 wheels.
There.
There it is.
Yeah.
And a hanger, or a thing that you put on here.
It was in your hand.
Where the hell is the screws to this?
I saw screws for the wheel attached to it.
Not the wheels, dummy.
Oh, well,
That's not what I'm looking for. Where the hell do you go? Where the Sim Sam hell do you go?
Jack the Ripper better be out there.
I know this goes on somehow to keep you from tearing up the plants. So how? Because I want to use it.
Yeah.
Hey, look at the head it adjusts.
Hey, I may just have it.
Oh, I hope so. If I have to set it back, I don't know how much it's going to cost. But let me go get a pair of scissors. I mean to drag this out, folks. But
Well, I got one of these, but that's not.
wait for some sure everything is where it's supposed to be.
Another one of these. No help. They have different.
I have to write. It's stupid. You sure that box is completely empty?
Look, shake it out, dear.
I'm asking you. You know it shook it out.
Well,
That's why I said.
see anything in it? I mean,
That's dirt. I don't think that counts. Okay, where the hell does this thing go? I know it goes on there some way. What's the point of that?
one in here.
Well, so
Well, that's different, you see. All I need is one of those battery fittings for the batteries we got, grafted onto the lawnmower.
or the cord all together with the regular plug. Is it?
Yeah, or we get one of them, the right plug in.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Battery charger. Not with that one.
And who sold this wonderful invention to you, darling?
Walmart.
Walmart.
Or was it Walmart? No, it was eBay for this.
Yeah. Yeah, you got eBay, darling.
Don't bite me. I like eBay. Well, anyway, let's see if we can assemble some of this.
Yeah. I believe the wheels go onto the shroud. If you'll hand me shroud and the wheels, I'll put them on for you.
Well, here's the shroud. Okay. I don't know. Let me see. Is that where you go? But there's only one on this fucker.
What?
Wheel.
I've got one right here, and they go on the shroud, darling. I bet you. Because I got two holes with adjustability. Hand me that, will you?
You can't put them on until you put this fucker on because you don't know where it's going to twist to. You got to twist it on.
Oh, man.
Asshole, take it off.
Okay.
It has to be in the right direction. You can't just put them on there and hope it lands right.
There's only two places where the wheels go, and there's very little limited.
This has to be in the right position.
It's limited to options, dear.
I know they go there. I'm telling you, it has to be in the right position on it. You can't just throw it on there willy-nilly, all set up.
If they're smart, they designed it so it only goes on in one position.
Okay. Unless you assholes charge that much money,
Yes.
I need a wrench to get that off.
Ah,
Because this has to come off so I can put this on.
yeah.
Because it don't go over. Wait a minute. Nope, it won't go over it. So it has to come off. Just a pair of pliers. Not that drawer. The other one. Over there. Top drawer. Over there.
Oh, okay.
Look, like you tell me, follow my finger. If it's good enough for you, it's good enough for me. I mean, it's good enough for me, but it isn't for you. There's stuck on so much shit in there. Hey, you dumped something on the floor, too.
Yeah, well, there's no pliers in here.
Red handle.
No pliers in here, dear. I'm not blind yet.
It can only be one or two places. And somebody took them out and didn't put them back. And
Well, there's a pair in the pencil holder in the computer room.
Yeah, the silver was just up and disappeared, so that empty. I think you took them. Yeah, I found them in the street before I even knew you. Where did you say it was?
Pencil holder in the computer room.
Pencil holder. Fancy tin can. Not like the language I can understand, Paul. You mean the fancy tin can.
It goes round and around and makes noise. Hospice works.
My luck would go through the damn weeds out
I think that's why the wheels are there. Because you're going to probably be standing there holding it for a long time.
there. You think? Why in the hell won't you move?
Is there a button on the side of the motor to stop it from turning?
No, this is just the head. See?
Yeah.
And anywhere in between.
Oh, great.
This thing keeps turning with the pliers. The whole thing turns. These are too big.
Someone's got to get a hold of the motor. They put a nylock nut on here and cranked it down.
It's not nylon, it's metal, you jackass.
It's like a nylock cord on it. Anyway, they put a nut there and they run it all the way down.
Full.
There's no locking button for the motor, so
It turns with it. It's so big and clumsy. I missed my little silvers.
let me go get the other tool and see if I can grab that shank under the nut while you turn the nut.
It's not turning as long as I hold the plastic still.
Oh, okay, well then hold the plastic, darling.
I am.
Okay.
At least I think it's moving. I don't know. Could they be backwards in China and go the other way?
If it runs backwards, it could be left-hand threaded.
I don't know. All I know is I can't. How am I supposed to get anything on it, you assholes?
There, now try and turn it.
I'll try, but I can't get it. Crap.
Let me.
They're too fat, they're telling me. Look at my needle noses. They might be too small. It's not hand usable. I tried.
I'm holding the shank with a tool, dear, and this just turned, you just didn't see. Yes.
Now with your fingers.
Yeah, I know. This is a tool
Operation.
change job.
Well, that's why I want the blade on there, because if it works, I may not be taking it off ever again. Until it breaks. And can I get that replaced in a regular hardware store? You think? It's a saw blade, isn't it?
It's different.
This is.
There's a different size hole in the middle than every other saw blade I've seen.
Well, they have some minis these days.
Now put the shroud on.
Yes, my darling. And they didn't give me any damn screw to anchor it down with.
This is what holds it, remember?
You see the screw hole? It ain't there for nothing. It doesn't hold it. It needs a screw.
Hardware.
About time. I knew it had something. What's in the bags have, my love?
Blades.
Okay.
Hey.
Will you open? What?
Sweat.
Well, turn it on? Oh, it is on.
It is on.
Well, crack the door for me. You gotta be kidding me. They said they were metal. Those are so fucking flimsy, they won't cut shit.
That's plastic.
That blade better not be what I bought it for.
Oh, you mean, well, these are metal. This is metal.
Yeah.
That's steel.
And the round one.
Oh, that is too heavy to be anything
Those
but.
plastic ones ain't gonna do shit around here.
No.
I can bend them with my fingers. At least the last ones I had were hard plastic and they cut.
Yeah.
Now that's where you go. You're on the shield. Over there. Over there.
Well, you know what'd be exciting?
Yeah.
Put that plastic and put this on.
If I couldn't
I don't see any detail of this on. And the next picture, it's all together now.
Alright, where's the nut?
Righty touch picture.
The blade on.
Shroud on, and it's under the tabs holding
Wait
it.
a minute. The tabs don't hold it. This does.
They're holding it.
That's because you don't have it in the right spot, so I can get the screw in. It's off center. Last time I had it on the hill.
And ta-da! So that
That's
plastic doesn't get destroyed by hitting.
Where the hell do you go? I know you go on there. It has to be on right for that. Plastic holds it in place, otherwise it's gonna wobble back and forth, you dumbass.
Okay.
Ah, thank you, motherfucking dumbass. Shit. You're so stupid. I had it that way.
Well, that's because that thing we can't loosen without a two tool.
I told you don't. Oh, how the hell did you take it off? Your women can't stay because he has to always be the one that's. You think you got
Fingers.
bullshit? Go
Yeah.
ahead.
Yeah. Hold on the shank.
What you gotta get the shank?
Try and get the shank from this side.
Can't tell you. How did you ever? It's just. Watch your face. You almost put it sharp. It'll split. Alone. I'll check.
Tell you what, dear. Here's the blade.
Put it back.
There's the nut.
Take your pen and crank. Not gonna help. Don't do. What you do with the plastic? You took this thing and don't put. Lose it. Kill you. You took it off. You said
Look
it was
behind
wrong.
her, Christy, will you?
I know you took it off. It was wrong. You want your tape? Find it.
There. It's not in this bag. It's not on here. Fall on the floor.
Dog, put pissing over there. You took it off. Where the hell did you put it? It's not over here. I don't put anything on this bed. It's air, remember? Dog, that's stupid.
What is it over here?
Well, you had it. I don't give a damn where it's not. You better damn well find it because it's useless without it. Turn that fucking thing off. Don't need to record all this shit.
and you get to guess.
Let me get this fucker in before it fucks up again.
Yeah.
Turn it on without it, and you're gonna fuck up the whole machine. Get your ass in there, shithead. Get in there. I hate these gotta assemble yourself craps.
Oh, there.
What?
Well, the holes are up here. For that thing.
Where? Oh, there they are. I knew I saw it up there. Thank you. Our old eyes can't see tiny anymore. Come on, why won't you go the fuck in? Why won't you go in?
Plastic?
No, it's metal.
No, into plastic.
Yes.
Oh, cheap plastic. You may have to force that screw in.
Yes, this is plastic.
A common opinion is that Chinese manufacturers decided that making it in plastic and make you force the screw in is cheaper than paying one of their almost slave laborers.
Not everybody runs a sweatshop, contrary to popular belief.
I didn't say it was true. I just said it's a common belief.
Well, there's common idiots out there.
Well, yeah, they are really common. That is true.
Well, that's where we live. Come on, move. Let go of my hand. Why are you being a pain in my butt? Nana always gets stuff that's a pain in the ass. You love putting my swing together.
Oh, yes. If you're watching this and you wonder what the swing is about, I did a video of putting it together. It's entitled, "Do Not Buy This POS."
Unless you pay to have it assembled.
And I even suggested if your wife buys it, sit back with some beer and watch her assemble it, because it's going to be entertaining.
Well, not every woman's an idiot like you think.
I didn't say that she's an idiot.
You said it was going to be entertaining.
Yeah, because it was such a pain in the ass. The instructions were in High Temple Martian, and the pictures were all twisted.
Yes, folks, we may be a little crazy here, but we do love each other. We fight like cats and dogs all the time, but we do love each other. We've been together off and on for more than 30 years now. So he better realize he ain't getting rid of me unless he runs me over himself.
We're told about a woman right yeah, but unfortunately, you Republicans don't understand. They grow up poor and they won't vote for you.
In there.
The more poor babies you cause to be created, the more Democrats are going to vote for.
I'll let him out. Maybe you can be working that screw down. You got more muscle in there.
Yeah.
Careful with the blade. You cut easy. And you bleed.
No, it's cross-threaded.
But, no, it's not. Come here.
I don't think it really goes there.
It does.
Okay, I will.
You want a picture?
I'll force it in.
It ain't cross-threaded. See, it wasn't even in yet. The plastic's too small. You said I had to force it. That's what I was trying to do. But I don't have the muscle you got.
And the relief where the head's supposed to be isn't big enough.
Watch that blade. I don't want you to cut yourself.
Yes.
That's what you always say when you go out to your shop and come back. Babe, you got a Band-Aid?
I'm going to have to do some surgery on the case of this thing to get this screw in.
Go ahead if that's what it takes.
Let's go to what we can do. Let's put the wheels on.
Well, if that falls off on the blade, I won't be able to try it. I need a fucking screw. Pardon my French, but it has to be attached, or it's going to come loose and screw up the cover. And if I want to use that thing, the cover's got to stay intact.
Yeah.
So I've got to get a screw in. Here, give it to me. I'll get it over
here. Here's the screw for...
Well, that might help. Where is it? The holes aren't lined up. Isn't that nice?
And where the head of this goes, you see it's just a narrow little slot. It doesn't have
God damn it.
doesn't have an accommodation for the head.
See how easy it flopped off of there?
Yeah.
Now I think it's lined up. Let me have it. I think that was the problem. I told you it's picky. And the back side of it has got a lot of,
Picky translates to cheap Chinese POS.
cheap. It was $6.70 on.
You by a factor of 500.
You can see what my husband thinks makes a great birthday present and Mother's Day gift.
She picked it out.
Well, it's the one thing I did need. If anything, I'm logical and practical. But I am a Taurus, so therefore I'm bullheaded, big mouth, you know.
Oh Lord, please hold my tongue.
Born with a fire in my belly, my heart on my sleeve, and a mouth I can't control. Thank you for understanding. You heard of Tourette's? Well, mine's similar.
Yeah, we get the specific diagnosis from veterinary medicine.
I love you too, dear.
Yes, I know.
Come on, you piece of crap.
That's okay. That's okay when
Okay.
your diagnosis is still a mystery to many doctors.
Yeah, I keep on breaking knee rice bowls, don't I?
Yeah, and they said you were one for the medical history books when you had your heart attack.
Yeah.
You were a rare bird. And you told them, yeah, well, I'm a zebra. I don't do anything like everybody else. I stand out.
Now, when Monica said, "You really are a zebra,"
So tell me, Wayne, are the blades on your saw better than that?
Come on.
well, the blades on my saw are attached to a good tool.
Let me go get something that's going to work on this stupid
This
screw.
cat's
I
really
hate
good,
Allen
though.
wrenches.
Well, and I caught Mom,
Allen wrench with a blade.
and I quote Mother, you are never going to touch this weed eater, so I told her have a good time doing it all by yourself.
Yeah. Oh, I should have made her.
Well, you told me never to touch it. I guess I should have left it outside.
Uh huh.
Yeah, it is.
She doesn't know that you can hear her from way back there. How was it?
Do these look like they're cut to you?
I suck.
More of these plastic blades so we can destroy them really
What
fast.
did they do? Like not cut through a weed?
That washer's supposed to be on here? Or just on them?
I don't know. It was in with them. I think it's for them.
Because there's washers on the wheels. And
Yeah. No, I think this is for them because of as whippy as they are.
okay. Let me sit this down here so I don't flatten my $100 air mattress I got at a yard sale for $5. Still brand new and in the box. Boy, do I know how to shop. Yeah, the washer goes under it to hold that on. How about? So it does hold all the blades on. Okay, smart ass. I thought it should go that way, but when I tried to stick the plastic into the holes, the matching holes,
Yeah.
it didn't want to go.
Well, when you had that plastic between that blade and the ground, I said, "Oh, that'll last about a minute and a half, and it'll grind away."
Well, it's still me.
Hey, why don't you go bring out my birthday present? It's charged up. Got a motor and
I wrapped it already.
oh, she wrapped my birthday present already.
Boo hoo hoo. This was just delivered yesterday, so we got a fresh headache.
Yeah, FedEx threw it over the fence. Literally threw it over the fence.
You'd think they could deliver it right since they get paid such a high price and their specialty is packing and delivering packages, you'd think they could be a little more professional. If
Yeah.
I called them and said, hey, it got taken, company wouldn't believe me. They'd tell me to go chase myself.
You would think after the guy destroyed a $300 TV, and he came back, when they made him come back, he admitted, oh, I fell it. It dropped it, taking it off the truck. I brought it to the door anyway.
They get these Allen wrenches a dime for 100 or something.
Oh, those are Chinese?
Huh?
They're Chinese?
No, not these things.
That's what I'm talking about.
Yeah.
They're Chinese.
Yeah.
Um,
What are they, pennies? They're always in everything you buy.
They are the cheapest recycled steel.
They're always in everything I buy. I don't care if it's a bookshelf or whatever these days. That's what you get.
I mean, if that like came from India, like from around Mumbai or
There we go.
that, where they do shipbreaking, they'd probably make it out of a piece of a ship.
All I
It'd
needed
be
was
better than
something
that.
all I needed was something I could get a grip on so I could turn it.
Uh-huh.
Now, as for you, butthead, you're in the right place. I didn't know you were behind it, but you gotta be. Oh, come on. You gotta be kidding me. You moved. There you go. Now, can I get this thing done or what?
Okay, how do you... The only thing you can do is hold the blade to keep it from turning and get it tight, huh?
Blade don't move. You see those? They're holding it in place.
Yeah, I know, but to tighten the nut,
No,
something's got to not move so the nut will
well,
tighten.
it won't move till I turn it on. That's holding it in place. I just have to hold
Oh,
on.
you're holding that green
Yeah, exactly.
spacer.
Hold that and don't move. There we go. It's ready to try.
May I,
But I can't
See
try
the
it because I can't charge the battery.
let me see battery.
The battery needs to be charged before I can use it. Did you find an adapter? Be careful. You dropped my battery.
Yeah, I know, it didn't lock in tight.
Give it here.
Oh,
I see it. I see it.
the blade was running backwards.
Well, you look to put it on.
No, I
No,
told...
I couldn't get it off, remember? I didn't put it there. You did.
Well,
You got it on film. You want to go back and look at it again? I just saw it.
we'll have to turn it around before we use it.
Be my
Here.
guest. I broke my arm. Try this.
See if you can get the battery to,
This works better than anything else.
See if you
Getting
can-
that nut off.
see if you
Don't
can-
lose it.
see if you can get the battery to latch on.
Okay, let's see.
I can tell them...
You see this red button?
Yeah. I can tell them the story about Weed Eaters Massacre changing direction the blade was on later.
Come on, you butthead. What the hell? You did give me the right damn battery, didn't you? Now,
Okay.
that's the click.
All right, now, just for gits and shiggles, it should be going this way, right?
Not necessarily. Well, does it matter which way it cuts the weeds?
Well, let's put the wheels on it and the handle.
Well, let me put this on it before you get away with the wheels, because it goes on the top. Right here, and then I'll get out of your hair.
Let's put the wheels on it and the handle, and I'll pull the camera over by the window and...
Sure that anyone would be able to see that though? I wish I'd have gotten this on before the blade. Oh, you hold it. Yeah, good. I can't see that way. Don't move. Where are you, tiny little hole that Christy found? Where'd it go?
I don't know. I didn't see it.
Where the hell are the holes again, Christy?
Christy! Please come and show your mom the hole.
Oh, there it is. Watch it. You're gonna get me cut. Don't do that.
Let me hold one in for you.
Do that.
Okay.
God damn it, don't move it. What the hell's wrong with
I'm trying to hold it still. You were pushing it.
I have to get it down to the hole.
Yeah, but it was
Ah.
maybe because you were pushing it there.
You get your ass up there in your hole. Now, you didn't go in like that.
No, here, babe.
Wait a minute. What the hell are you doing? Your hole's down here, you son of a bitch.
That one went in.
Yeah.
And this one is
half-assed.
cockeyed.
Get in there, asshole.
That's as good as it's gonna get.
There you go. See? Went all the
Okay.
way in.
I'll put the wheels on. You can put that handle on.
Okay.
And
Be careful. Don't aim it at your belly like that.
right.
And you got the middle one.
Okay.
Get pinch it a poke, you owe me a Coke. And this is what you want to use for the other one on top.
Yeah.
They couldn't put regular screws in it like good old American shit, could they? They're making American crap over there because it's our businesses that went over there saving money. So why the hell can't they use American shit?
Anyone out there who's complaining that your job went to Mexico or China or
Japan.
Mars for that matter.
Taiwan, India.
It's the rich people who own the companies, and the people who own stocks in the companies said, "You're giving the people coffee in the morning so they can stay awake? Doesn't that cost money? Stop it."
Is there a bag these were in?
Yeah, it's over there.
Okay. I don't want them laying around by themselves. I'll keep
Okay.
them.
Off camera, you can't see it. I'm holding the nut on these wheels with the pliers and turning the big red knob because
Are those too big? I got my needle nose.
no, it's the thing that the screws are longer than they really need to be. They expecting clumsy people to struggle.
You gotta loosen it a little.
Yeah.
Move. How about this one? Okay, that's good. Good job. Good job.
And this one got to loosen a little bit too. I grunked them a little too good.
But you can't help it if you do good. There should be a nut for this. Where the hell is it? You see anything that's got a nut in it over there? There should be a nut for the end of it so it don't come out.
There's that. The other bag of stuff came to the table. Where'd it go?
Oh, there it is. I'm supposed to reach the nut inside like that? How?
Oh, that's a captured nut. Don't worry about it.
What? Well, then it can't go on if you don't move it.
Dear, watch this. See, this unscrews.
I did unscrew it, but it's not coming out. That means
You want the handle up or down?
I'll tell you in a minute.
Don't lose the nut.
Well, what the hell did you do?
It's a captured nut supposed to stay in there, dear.
Yeah, I know, but you could have put. Let me see. That's the wrong way, isn't it?
Does it feel good? You like the way it feels? It's good.
I don't like it. It's supposed to be
The other way.
like
Okay.
this. Yeah, that's better. Now you can put it.
Okay, I'll put...
Last piece. But I don't know how I'm going to recharge the battery. Look what they gave me.
Yeah, obviously you're going to have to buy an adapter for that charger or another charger, dear.
I'm going to write him and tell him they forgot to put it in. It was supposed to be included. American or foreign.
Anyone who is fluent in Italian, you can stick your fingers in your ears for a moment. They said fungul.
That's Italian? what?
Slang.
For what? Yes, I'm naive. He's the one correcting me, folks. Maybe what I have.
I told her what fungul means, but she's forgotten.
Well,
Okay,
how old am I
there's
getting?
that.
I just turned 67. What do you expect?
Okay, now let me grab.
Let me get my shoes on.
Yeah, grabbing camera and moving over here.
Watch it.
Okay,
Dad,
if you go between,
ah, crap. I think I put it up. No, I'm about to put it the other way to be leaning against the blade, wouldn't it?
yeah, between the stuff there, all the light up stuff, and the gate.
Over there? Now, where do you want me to go? By the gate? Here?
Wait a minute.
bad you can't plug that camera into your computer.
Yeah. Well, I need a lot of hardware. Okay, you're in frame. Get busy.
Hey, let's see if this thing is worth $60. Why aren't you?
You got to push that button and pull the trigger.
You gotta be kidding me.
Pull back.
Ain't doing nothing. Didn't seem like it was cutting.
It's not.
It might be because the blade's backwards.
Oh, that's right. You haven't changed it.
Yeah. You said, does it have to be pointing the proper direction to cut?
Apparently it does.
Yeah. I think that's a lesson you learned the first day in high school machine shop class.
Well, I lived in Oakland. They didn't teach shop class.
Always stick the pointy part where you want it.
You know, in Oakland, all you got was wood workshop or auto mechanics. They didn't offer anything else for the boys, and they wouldn't let the girls take either class.
They didn't even offer a roach clip class? Oh, man, that's cold.
Oh, you mean you had one?
Well, we had,
Or did you just meet someone who taught you how to do it all? Is that why you became an expert? That's what you learned in school. I don't think we sent you there for that one.
well, the state of California
You
insisted.
be careful with it. Make sure it's as long as you can put it out there.
Oh,
If you're gonna use it.
so now I can use it. Okay.
I told you this morning. I apologize. I was just bad.
Well, I figured you didn't want me to touch him. I couldn't blame you. I'm not exactly got a great track record with him.
Well, so far I can't even cut with it. But better do better than that. So far, I'm not really pleased with his performance. And I still think the battery needs to be fully charged. Best performance.
Yeah.
Like they say. Charge.
Like most men, its performance is lacking.
Shut up. Okay, if you know so much, which way do these blades go on?
The sharp edge is towards the direction the teeth point.
Like this?
You don't cut with the back of the knife, do you?
Like this. Okay, I thought I had it that way. I should be careful with it.
Okay.
Got two of those.
You see up here,
On the middle.
between the green frog, if you come here, you look.
I see the green frog.
Okay. Directly in front of me, right?
You want me?
That's where you want to go and
want me
cut.
up there where I could fall and break my neck?
Oh, okay, I'll move the camera again.
No, I just do this. See? I'm not stupid. I got my own pole to get me up the hill.
She's no fool, no siree. She done lived to be 23.
Hey, I'm 67 already. So fine.
Okay, right there. Right there.
Right here?
Right there.
Good. This is what I want.
Because you're in frame.
That's now. Bozo was right and they just sent me a cheap piece of crap. He's right.
Must you always be right?
Isn't it amazing? The pointy part of your tool has to be towards where you want to cut. So other than we need a charger, what do you think?
I like it.
She likes it.
It works great this way. The weeds are so big.
Hey, look at the weeds.
When we get this shit out of here, I should put the lawnmower blade on the phone.
Hey, you can almost see the deer again.
Yeah. Bambi's almost about to come out of hiding.
I want to break my blade. It's so tough. Sorry, Bambi. Maybe the other blades will help you get a close like that.
Well, that one basically, that's for saplings.
We need to go over it with the cutter and then go over it with the lawnmower. Then we'll have it down.
That or we cut it when it first starts growing.
And I gotta come in because it's raining on me.
Okay, come on in, babe.
Get out of there. I'm taking you to the house. I don't want to. I just been here a couple months ago. I said,
Okay.
you're asking this question, but
To answer the question,
I'll ask it anyway.
okay.
Should we take the blade off for safety's sake? I mean, when the hell am I going to put it with the blade on it?
I have an idea where we don't have to take the blade off.
Okay. I'm not putting it out
Okay.
the shed.
Have a sit somewhere next to those two pillows.
Okay.
And it's time to wrap it up with final impressions.
Yeah, sorry about being such a beast. You know how nervous I get when I gotta do things. The choir assembly. Yeah.
All right, right there.
And yes, if he told you I could be queen of the bitches, he's right. They bow before me.
They do.
Like his t-shirt said I got him. Dumbest thing you could do is piss off my wife. Because she'll open the gates of hell and lead you right in with a smile.
I mean, there are women that lesbians call bitch, and they bow to her.
Anyway, it cuts pretty good. It's a small blade. It's not as big as the one Mike had, that's for sure. But it does cut. It's just a...
But it got a small battery, too.
Yeah, but it'll last longer than that piece of crap I got in the other room. And it's a Black & Decker, mind you. An American product, but it's made overseas. This is strictly Japanese, and it works better than the brand, the unbranded. It's what you call generic. Frankly, I think it's the best one I've ever owned. I just gotta find out how much another battery is so I can have at least two good on hand.
Yes, this lawnmower coming to a Harbor Freight near you.
Guy had a Chinese name, the seller, on eBay. I think it was, yeah, it was eBay. I paid for both your present and that with our PayPal. And I really appreciate it. What are you gonna do, chop up the rug? Don't do that, you fuck up his floor, you'll really have a cow. You'll have to do it now while we're still here. And you'll have a cow because you'll have to move it all out. That's not a good place for it to a Christmas tree.
No, no.
So we gotta put it away, but
I was thinking it could hang off that wire, couldn't it?
no,
Okay.
it can't. That wire is just to keep it from bushes.
Hang off the handle?
That could if we found someplace to hang it.
Yeah, well, we need a nail.
Must gotta be a big one then.
Well, all it's got to do is enough to catch this. A nail or a screw.
I put it by the door, have her put the Black & Decker out in the shed, but I'm afraid the cat would get over there and cut itself with a stupid dog.
Okay, keep talking. I'm going to go.
Anyway, it didn't cut too bad. It's got a small path, but you want to get out there before your weeds are as tall as mine. I didn't have anything to do it with because my daughter burned out my other weed eater. And the Black & Decker, the batteries only last 15 minutes. I can't get anything done in 15 minutes. I'm an old woman and I don't move as fast as some people do when they're doing the job. And I've been weed eating for years. I helped my husband when he worked for somebody. He took care of their yard for about a year or so. And he taught me how to swing a weed eater real well. That he did do. He taught me a lot of things. Makes me laugh. I know, seems like I hate him sometimes. I fight like cats and dogs, but truly I love him. And why he hasn't hit me back yet, I'll never know, but I'm grateful.
Oh!
How's that one?
I don't know. I didn't hear it.
I said, I don't know why he's never hit me back, but for that I'm grateful. I don't think my weeds would, I think my weeds would laugh at those plastic blades.
Well, you know, dear, for years, I was afraid that the judge would say, no, you take the kids. I'd go, ah!
Hell
Like
no.
George Carlin's The Divorce Game. Think we can let her spin that wheel again, Your Honor? All right, are you ready to pull it?
Yeah.
All right.
This is Nana signing off. Thanks for watching. Excuse a little bit of temper tantrums, but I do have mental problems. I admit it. There's no shame in it. Thank you, Poppy.
Uh-huh.
Good night. Goodbye to your fans. And when you're ready later,
Hi. There we are. That's zoomed all the way out, so you know you're really close. That's that little lawnmower. I mean, if you're as old as us or older, it's just about the right thing, unless you want high performance. But you know, if it's to cut that little path between your trailer and where you park your car, you know, perfect thing. Good night from California.